What's going on, YouTube? I made a huge mistake here, not practicing what I preached. I bought these screens online on Amazon, and these are not the ones that I usually get. These were on sale. I think they were like $10 to $12 cheaper than the ones I usually get. And this is another example of the difference between good screens and bad screens. Now, I can't tell you not to buy these because I'll probably get demonetized, but I just want to show you this right here. Now, they were packed pretty good, I'll give them that. But this is a normal frame here, a regular frame. So I have another video on wood versus aluminum screens. I get more into detail on this, but I'm just gonna do a quick rundown. This is all glue right here. This is all glued on with the red dye, so you know that every single part of this is glued. These are glued on with, I'm not even sure what that is. That kind of looks like duct tape, like air conditioned duct tape. This is just tape. So imagine with a few washes, this tape is gonna come right off. Another thing, using this tape, this tension is awful. I mean, it's really bad. The screens themselves, like the actual screen mesh, feels really cheap. I mean, I can't believe they send me these tape like this. Another thing is the size. Now, the size I could have dealt with. Look at the difference there between the screens in size. This one's a lot bigger. Again, the size I could have dealt with if the screen was a little bit more heavy duty or a little bit more professional, but this is awful. Saving 12 bucks for these awful screens. I mean, pay the 12 bucks and you're gonna get a lot better screen. Again, like the tension, just grabbing this here, the screen mesh just went all the way in. That's awful. Again, after a few washes, I mean, this mesh will probably be falling right off. So I just wanted to give you that example. Don't do what I did. I'll have a link in the description for these screens here. These are, I mean, the best screens that I've gotten so far, that I found so far. So I guess I'll be your guinea pig here on what not to buy. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll check you on the next one.